Want to share your editing process? You can do so with VideoStar's Tutorial Maker. To begin, swipe down with 2 fingers. The microphone can be enabled for voiceovers while screen recording. Press record to start. The flashing red dot indicates the screen is being recorded, and all touches will be highlighted. Keep in mind that some features may operate slower while recording. Leaving VideoStar will prevent you from saving the recording. To stop recording, swipe down with 2 fingers. From there, you can trim the video as needed. Tap Save to send the recording to the Photos app, or share it to other apps. When using your device's built-in screen recorder, please note that there won't be a red dot to indicate recording. Touches also won't be highlighted unless you have highlight touches enabled in VideoStar settings.